That's enough out of you.
Really?
Mr. New Truck Man. Yes. Very nice. Yeah. Becca.
That's not right.
I know it isn't right.
Gotta go.
Get that out. Get that before it starts setting up. Get that underneath there.
You gotta go underneath it.
Put that bolt in so it'll seat. Got to be the 1/2 inch. Guess you got
You there
told.
yet?
How about now?
You there yet?
How about now?
How about now? Fuck you, Volvo.
Mr. New Car Man.
I was told not to speak because she said she could do this herself.
You can talk. Bullshit.
I'm making a video that's not going to come up on YouTube.
So we're making fun of it.
I made one yesterday and she never put it up. So now it's going to be, she'll probably put this one up and then put that one up. She's got a little Hitler mustache. Look at me, Amanda. Come on, get that other one on so you can seal it. You got to do the finger thing. You always do this when you get in. Go ting, 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 ting. No, you're not doing it right. You got to go like this. You gotta go like this.
Tap it like you tap Tyler's head.
Do that.
Damn it.
Tap it.
Oh, I need to put some there. I gotta squeeze it with your ear.
I'm going to press pause on my TV. Press OK twice.